Okay, there's the guard watching me like a hawk, and I'm just going to be walking around and recording. She keeps on babysitting me, so I'd like to show babysitter's face. Masked. I'm not masked. I have not been.
You
And
have a mask on.
pardon me?
Do you have a mask?
I do.
I have it on when you're in the courthouse.
I understood that we didn't have to because it was declared that it's unconstitutional.
No, gotta have it on.
Okay.
Also, why are you videotaping the courthouse, can I ask?
Yes, sir. It is our First Amendment right, number one. What is your name, sir?
I'm Rick.
Rick? Is that your last name, sir?
Nope, it's Coxon, C-O-X-O-N.
And you are police?
I am.
Okay. What's your number, please?
I don't know
Yeah, you have a badge. What's your badge
the number.
number?
What does it say on there? Read it.
Oh, I can't read it, but I can't see it. I don't know what the number is.
It's on there. I don't know what. I can't read it.
And you don't know your number?
Looks like 629 maybe.
629. Okay. And you,
can,
sir?
Listen.
Yes.
You can videotape out here. You cannot go in the courtrooms and videotape in the courtroom.
That's not what they told me.
I'm telling you, you can't.
No,
Unless
but
the
I'm
judge is saying it. Is
I'm
the judge
telling you
saying it?
that they said
Who's
that it's
they?
up. I was in a courtroom and just watching the proceedings, and they made a call. Someone made a call. The judge asked her to make a call,
Uh-huh.
and they said that it's up to the individual. So the defendant or whoever the person was decided no. And so the Judge Bronick said, it's up to the individual, is what they told me. So, ma'am, I'm going to ask you, because he asked the man, and the man said, no, I'd rather not. So that's what they told me, that it's up to the individual. In addition, I had understood that it was early in the year, they said that starting March, and I don't know if I have correct information, but from what I understand, it did pass, or whatever the thing happened, that starting March we could record. And that's probably why they're saying up to the individual.
No.
Also, sir, you do know that anytime we are inhibited from recording, it is against the First Amendment, because it is a First Amendment activity covered.
Here in the public areas. you
Anywhere, sir, that's
Listen,
public. Sir,
can
anywhere.
not videotape.
If you
in the
make me not,
courtroom.
you're breaking my First Amendment, sir.
If the judge doesn't want you to
But
be
if-
in there, and you do not videotape behind the bench. You
Sir.
don't walk up and videotape behind the bench.
Sir, anytime a human being tells you that in public, authorities or not, because you're public servants, we the people are the government, and we pay you.
Listen, don't videotape behind
No,
the
listen,
bench
sir, you
again.
can make me, you can arrest me, you could beat me up and kill me, even
Yes,
shoot me.
that's what I'm gonna
Correct.
do. I'm not
You
gonna
could do any of
that.
that. You could
Don't
even,
videotape in
but
the
I'm telling you,
courtrooms.
you need to understand it is against my First Amendment right. As long as you agree with
Okay,
that,
I don't agree with that, but
but it
when you
is.
cannot go behind the bench and videotape where the public is not allowed, okay?
I am telling you that anytime that
Okay.
happens,
Don't
we-
videotape behind there again.
we do it under threat of your violence.
Okay.
Because you will get violent. I know how the police is. Okay, I've been through it. So under duress, I would comply.
Do you have a reason to be in the courtroom?
Yes, sir. We own it. It's public. That's the reason. Accountability is another one. And also
You will
learning the
not be videotaping
learning
behind
the
the court-
procedures.
Behind the bench, okay? Don't
And
videotape behind
and
the
I just
bench.
explained to you what they said.
And I'm saying, don't videotape behind the bench. You went up and put it behind the bench and videotaped in an area where the public is not allowed,
What do you mean? I don't know what you mean.
where the judge sits.
Oh, because he said it's right here, and I said it on the video. He said it's right here. He wouldn't tell me. He did like the officers do. It's right here. And we often ask, is that what you tell the judge? And they don't answer. The judge did the same thing.
Okay.
I have it on video.
That's what I'm
And so
saying.
because he said it's right here, I went and looked, but I did not interrupt him, sir. I waited when he was
You
finished.
heard what I said?
And I went, well, you remember what I said. You're violating my First Amendment right. All of you remember that. Okay? Make note of it. We're not going away. We're going to hold you accountable. We are not going away. Thank you. Appreciate it. Don't try to intimidate us.
I'm intimidating?
We are the public. We pay your salary, sir.
Am I intimidating you?
Well, yes. Well, what will you do if I do something? Won't you arrest me or even shoot me? Like we see it all the time?
Did I say that?
No, but I know what you guys do. Okay, so what would I do? If I do what you just told me not to do, when there's a proceeding, what will happen to me, sir?
Okay.
You see, you won't
Remember
answer.
I said, don't videotape.
And remember what I asked you that you won't answer because you know you would give me violence, which is arrest. You know, what did you say?
Don't go past that bar.
And I'm telling you, I need to know what you would do. Would you arrest me and do violence to this little lady?
That would be a trespassing if you go past that.
Even though you're violating my rights. Do you see how you were waking up a giant? We the people are a giant. You guys are very few. Millions of us to one of you. How many of you here? 5. 5 police officers. There are more than 5 million in the city against you. You better not wake us up. You better be good. All right, people, I'm shutting it off.